Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create the academic details of the students with the help of the graphical representation. You can see here that I have created a 3D clustered column chart by the help of this data. Now if I add any entry or if I delete any entry, the same entry will be add or delete, will get delete from this chart also. Okay, so at first of all I make an entry. Okay, so I give the name Saurav and I press enter. You can see the marks has automatically taken due to the rank between function, and you can see Saurav here, you can see Saurav here also. You can see the total is 232. You can see total is 232. And now if I delete any entry, suppose if I delete Shreya from here and if I delete it, then you can't see Shreya on this data and you can't see the Shreya in this chart also. So how to create this? To create this, at first of all I will copy the data. I'll copy it and I move to sheet 2 and I right click on it, paste special values, click OK, and I then select all, make it bold, and then I select the data and go to the insert table, my table as header, I click OK. Now everything is done, and now I will select the name range and I select the total. I move to insert columns and 3D columns. At first of all I will remove the grid lines from the chart, series name and the relevant things from the chart, and then I will right click on it, move to the format data series and fill, vary color by point, and 3D format I take top as bevel and bottom I take circle, and material I take metal. Okay, and shadow, if you want to take any presets over on here, you can take any presets. Okay, I take offset top and everything is done on here. Now I right click on it again and add data labels. Click on any data labels on here and move to the home tab and make it bold, and I make it auto this also bold, the name range, and this also bold. Now I select the chart and go to the layout function and format and shape outline, no outline. And if you want to remove the grid lines, go to the view tab and remove the grid lines. Now I increase the size of the chart so that it is visible to you. Now if I do any entry or if I delete any entry, the same entry you will find on this chart also. So suppose I type the name Preeti, and if I do the entry and suppose I take the marks as 50, English 50, Bengali 65, history 75, I taking the dummy number, you can take any number, and geography suppose 35 and math 50, and if you want to see the total, you can see the sum and you can see the total marks. Okay, you can see the 275, here it is also 275. Now if I delete any entry, suppose if I want to delete this Rakesh from here, I go to the home tab and delete it, then you can see the Rakesh here also, you can see the Rakesh on this chart also. Okay, by this process you can see the academic details by the help of the graphical representation. Okay, I think from this video you know something new from this video, and this video is still this. Thank you all of you.